Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year.
We have just a few things we wanted to talk about
Yes.
for the upcoming year. Wish everybody a Happy New Year. An announcement.
Yes.
And a little personal achievement I've
Yes.
made. Come on and check it out.
It's cold outside.
Okay, first of all, it is cold in Florida. It's 37 degrees.
Yeah, we want to do a video outside, but it's cold.
We're Floridian now. Yes. It reminded me the last couple days here. Anyway, Happy New Year to everybody. This is Medling World.
Yeah.
We're real people giving you real vlogs. Hope you enjoy them. But it's been very cold here in Florida.
Yeah.
Very cold. 60 during the day. At night it did get cold. Although we still have been here 6 years, just about. Never turned on the heat.
Yeah.
Never. We have never used. We use our central AC.
No,
we turned it on.
We never use it once.
We turned it on for 10 seconds just to try it, a couple years ago. And everybody that lives in Florida is going to relate to this.
Yeah.
You get that something's on fire, but all it is the dust that's on the heating coils, and it just creates a quick burst of smoke that comes out of your vents, and then your fire alarms go off. So they do work. The fire alarms work.
But we did turn it on. And
only once for just a few seconds, just to see if it works.
Yeah, but we never use it.
Anyway, what a crazy way to start our Happy New Year vlog, Roberta. And by the way, if you have not seen Jake in some of the videos, rest assured Jake's fine. He's enjoying his winter break.
His winter break.
And of course, those of you who have teenage children, 14 to be exact, we don't force our son to be on these videos. This is up to him.
Yeah.
Depends what we're doing, of course. If sometimes he wants to come to the park.
Yeah.
Obviously cruising. Lots of times we're eating. And Jake joins us for that. I know people really enjoy Jake on our channel. We're blessed to have Jake as our son.
Yeah.
But again, Jake's his own person, his own.
And even in the video, a lot of times you see Jake is a lot of times quiet.
Yeah.
And a lot of you guys already know Jake is on a spectrum.
Yes, he is.
So a lot of times when people make comments, oh, Jake is quiet, it's a lot of times he will be quiet. It's a normal.
It's normal for him. So if you don't see him, it's not because we're telling him he can't. It's because he's enjoying his break and he's doing other things. So wanted to mention that about Jake.
But so happy 2026. Yes. Start 2026 with a nice coffee. And
this one in Brazil in 2025.
So I think that first, congratulations, 20 years.
If you watched my video,
I'll put a link for the video as well.
About my journey of sobriety. 20 years ago today was my first day of my new life without alcohol.
Yes.
So 20 years ago in one day was not a good day for me. It was the last day I ever drank.
Yeah.
And when I woke up the next day, decided to change my life. And Roberta, just quickly, I want to talk about goals and how I perceive goals, because I think goals should be something you feel you can obtain, but not with pressure.
Correct.
A little pressure is okay, but I did my goal of not drinking now for 20 years, but I never sat 20 years ago and said, I'm not going to drink for 20 years. You know what I said? I'm not going to drink today.
Yeah.
And I set a goal, and I did. The next day I woke up.
Yeah.
I'm not going to drink today. That was 2 days. The third day I woke up, and guess what? I did it 3 days. And now, 20 years later, that goal is still going.
Yes.
So we talk about goals on New Year's.
Yes.
Never give yourself a goal that you feel is impossible. Give yourself a goal that's challenging, but realistic to achieve. I want to thank everybody for your support.
Yes.
I don't always talk about my recovery on this channel, but I have a little bit more lately, because I just want to, part of becoming a sober person is putting your hand out to somebody else who may need it. So if there's anybody who ever needs anything, you can always message me on Instagram, email me. I'm here for anybody that's looking for that hand to say, hey, you can do it.
Yes.
And I don't want this video to be about that, but it is about a new year and goals.
Yes.
And I wish everybody luck in all of their goals, because we have goals. Go ahead, Roberta.
Yeah, we do have goals this year. But again, we are planning on it. Sometimes it doesn't happen exactly the way we want to.
Precisely.
But we have goals. Let's talk about first what is actually you're probably gonna start watching this video before, I'm guessing. But today we start a new channel,
Yes.
which it's going to be also it's added on it. It's going to be a little bit different for us.
Can I say something? It's an add-on, not ads. Only because, Roberta,
Yeah.
I want to make sure people understand when you say add-on, it's an add-on to what we're doing.
Correct.
Not like we're getting advertisement.
No.
We keep it real, and Roberta understands.
Yeah.
This is the way we communicate, guys.
And everybody knows I'm Brazilian by now.
So,
and,
just to clarify.
Correct. And it's okay. Matter a lot of times will interrupt me and people will
And likewise.
Yes. And it's like,
I get ripped
that's
up
how...
sometimes.
That's
and
how we
it's
do
just,
things.
believe me, you don't have to be upset about it because she's not. I can promise you. Because if she was, it would not come in the video. She edits the videos, guys. I promise you. Oh, this guy interrupted his wife. If it's there, it's because it's okay. I want you to.
Yeah. Anyway, so it's going to be
real.
Add on into our life.
Yes.
So this is our main channel, Medling World.
Of course.
But the new channel is gonna call.
First of all, it has nothing to do with traveling.
No.
This is like a total separate thing.
Yeah.
You're welcome to please subscribe.
Yeah, if you want.
But it's going to be something that is totally different than traveling. And yes, Roberta is the person who named this channel and kind of came up with the idea. So she deserves all the credit. It is going to be called Medling World Trying Things. Because one day, go ahead, Roberta. Tell everybody how you thought of this and what the channel is about.
Because a lot of times I want to buy things online, and I can't find reviews. I can't find even like how to put it together something and how easy it is or how hard it is, or having a review after like months of it if it is worth it or not. So I decided like, why we don't do that? Because
why not?
A lot of times I do not find it what I'm looking for. So I'm hoping that somebody will find what they're looking for. And there's a lot of amazing videos out there. There's a lot of amazing channels that do that. But I think the style that I'm looking for, that's exactly what we are doing. It is just like regular people trying regular things.
Yeah.
Like we bought things from Amazon. And we're going to continue like getting things for us. And a lot of times I just want people to have a perspective, just regular people trying regular things. And
whatever
that's
it is.
And so yes, the channel should go live today.
Yeah, so
hopefully,
check it out.
by the end of the day. So I will try to put a link on it in here whenever it's ready. But I also going to put the channel in the description if you'd like to support us.
Please help us
Yeah.
achieve the goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers on that
Yes.
channel in our 4,000 hours.
So yeah, so
that's always the first goal of any channel.
But we're gonna put a link for both, and it's not going to be like as often as it is this channel.
No,
it's as of right now, it's probably gonna be like once or twice a week,
if that maybe. We're just starting it.
We're just starting it, so it takes time for us to readjust. Plus, we have our regular full-time jobs and
this channel we are very committed to.
So and this is our main channel. So as of right now is what we do. So. But anyway, if you'd like to support us, this is a new adventure in our life.
I think you'll enjoy the entertainment aspect of it as well. As Roberta said, it's called trying things. It's not food. We're not trying food. We're trying for
gadgets,
instance, the first video, if you want to go check it out, is we bought Jake a desk.
Gaming desk.
A gaming desk. So
we have like LED lights. It's cool.
So we just vlogged unboxing it. We vlogged the process of setting it up. It's much different than this channel, but also similar because we film ourselves doing it, so it's kind of like entertaining as well. So it's the Medling World style, but has nothing to do with theme parks or trying food. Just something a little bit different.
Yeah.
And we're gonna give it a shot. Why not?
Yes.
So that's our big goal for this year. One of them.
And also thinking international, like we're gonna continue doing our cruising. A lot of times people ask us like when we're gonna cruise again. I think a lot of it has a lot to do with our scheduling as
Yeah,
well.
right
Like
now, yeah.
me, Matthew, and Jake, to trying to get our schedule together, and of course, financial is a good part of it.
Yes.
Um, but also like we try our best. So like we do have goals for this year for cruising,
Yes, we do.
and also maybe international travel.
Of course, of course.
We are hoping to get international travel done this year.
We have big goals.
And if you got to meet Bruno in our Brazil channel, we are hoping also my brother
Bruno will come to the
come to
United
United
States.
States, but this is more like his
Yeah.
plan, not our plan. But that's
He's
something
welcome.
that we are hoping to happen this year,
Of course.
and maybe
we
we'll
love
have
Bruno.
more visitors, family
Yeah.
members, visitors, maybe this year.
It's a new year, so
Yeah.
everything's fresh.
Yeah.
The last year we only did 2 cruises all of last year. So I do want to thank everybody for your support, because another
Yes.
cool stat, Roberta,
Yeah.
is I like to share certain things with the people that subscribe to us and watch us. And if you've been watching for a while and haven't subscribed, please help us, because last year we increased our subscribers by 8%
Yeah.
from the year before. It may
Thank
not
you.
sound like a lot, but for us,
For us, yes.
it's a plus.
Appreciated. Yeah.
So 8% more people during 2025 subscribed
Yes.
than they did during 2024. So our channel grows.
Yes.
And we're hoping this year we can have a bigger percentage of that by
Yeah.
bringing you entertaining vlogs that we like to do.
Yes.
And of course, cruising. We are looking into some cruising.
Yes.
But of course, give us a little time. I promise you we will be cruising.
Yeah. Yes.
That's for sure. Lots of people found us through cruising.
Yes. A lot of people did.
So hopefully we will have that coming up
Yeah.
sooner than later.
Yeah, but I think that's like the, a few things that we have in mind. I think slowly we're gonna add it on into like, but we do have goals this year, like international. We do not know yet where. We have a couple things in mind,
Right.
but we have nothing confirmed yet, and we are also waiting to see if there is gonna be a final decision about family members coming from Brazil or friends coming from Brazil.
Or even
Before-
family from
yeah.
some of my family that may be coming for a visit.
For a visit, but we are trying to see what their plans are before we make a decision of where we're gonna go and when
Yeah.
we're gonna travel, because we want to be here present for them, so we don't want to schedule both at the same time. But cruising is yes,
You know,
and
yeah, just
travel, and we also
travel in
have
general.
plans to maybe start going to other states and
Yeah.
like doing things in different states.
travel in general. That's
Yeah.
what we love to do on Medling World. And when we're not traveling outside of Central Florida, we bring you all the
Yes.
things here in Celebration, Florida.
Yes.
Our current hometown. We are very blessed to live here. We're thankful
Yeah.
every day for the blessings that we have from our family, far and near, right?
Yes.
That help support us in everything we do, always have our back.
Yes.
And we can make this our home.
Yes.
We can make these awesome videos, so we'll continue our celebration videos,
Yes.
our parks, because what's great about Medling World? You never know what's going to happen in the vlog.
Yeah.
And it's really true.
Yeah.
Like, when we turn on the camera, even this, all right, let's wish everybody a Happy New Year. I'm going to, say this about my journey, but we just talk.
We just talk.
We just want people to be able to connect to us.
Yeah.
Because we're just regular people.
Yes.
And we share our adventures.
Yes.
And hopefully you get some information out of that.
And so thank you guys. Thank you our viewers. Thank you our subscribers. Thank you for everybody that stopped by to say hello to us. When I am,
Especially this one.
I'm in the parks. You guys stop to say hello. It's very nice to meet you guys.
We love that.
It's hard for us sometimes to answer a lot of the questions that we have, but we take our time. We're trying to see as much as we can to answer questions or messages. But thank you for stopping by to say hello.
And when you come in and see me at Publix,
Yes.
I always appreciate it. I always want people to feel as our channel grows, and if you do happen to see us in a park, or you happen to be traveling and you stop in Publix, or you're a neighbor,
Yes.
please never think, I don't want to bother
Yeah.
them. We enjoy it. It makes us feel happy.
Yes.
We're now over 14,000 subscribers. Who would have, thought that can happen? And
Yes.
as it continues to grow even more, we're
Yes.
so grateful to
Very
everybody.
appreciate- Thank you so much. And I think that's our plans.
I think one more thing, as you
Yeah.
said, I would like to do a video at some point like a question and answer video. We'll figure out how we can do that. Maybe we will just in one of the videos say, hey, send us questions to the email, and then maybe we can answer those questions. That would be kind of fun.
You can send, it's through the email. Our email is in the description.
Yeah, or I think the easiest way for me to get a message definitely would be through the email. Medlingworld at
Feel
Gmail.
free to use our PO box too. A lot of people found out like that we have a PO box.
Yeah, that's in the description of the video.
Like a lot of people send us cards, so it's appreciated. Thank you very much. A lot of times we do not put in the videos, but it's appreciated. But I agree. Like if you have maybe one day we can just do a.
If I can get enough of them. So if you do send me a question or Roberta a question or just a question in general, we'll hang on to them for a while until maybe a few months.
Yeah.
And we can add them up and say, hey, today we're going to answer your questions.
Yeah. Or like Instagram too.
Yeah, you can send me a message. Send me a message either way.
Yeah. If you haven't checked it out,
and if I get it, I'll confirm that I got it, and I'll say, hey, I'll add this to our questions and answers, and then it might take a while to get enough to make a video, or maybe it'll happen quickly or slowly. But I think that would be nice to connect with you. People have requested lives. I got to convince Roberta to do the lives. She's a little bit hesitant. Because we've never done it, so we don't want to just let's do a live, and then it turns into a disaster. But in a way, this is a live. We've taken no cuts in this video. We're just talking to you from our hearts. So maybe we'll do maybe a goal would be a quick little 10-minute live at some point just to see how it goes. But we'll work on all those things. It's a new year. And
it's a new year.
Part about having a channel is to keep it fresh, right? And to keep it so people are entertained. You don't want to get stagnant with our content. Yeah. So we have to add to that content because of you guys. You deserve it for supporting us. And as we grow, we're able to add more and more. Yes. But still keep some of the things that you guys love. Universal, Disney, Celebration, food reviews. Yes. All of those things always will be on Medling World.
So thank you very much, guys. Happy New Year.
2026.
Yes. Amazing 2026. Show the Brazilian.
I did. I said I got this in 2025.
Yeah.
I got this in Brasilia, Brazil, the capital city. Check out our Brazil vlogs.
It's really cool.
But again, any question and answer vlog coming when we get enough, or if we get enough. Possibly a quick live at some point this year. Maybe build on that and just keep the channel moving. Keep it growing. We try to get a video every day along with working. We're both going to work today on New Year's. So it's early. It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning. We're filming this before work. But we're very committed to our channel and grateful. I don't think I can say it enough, Roberta.
Yes.
Listen, it means everything. When we turn on this camera, I love it. It's a passion for me that I found, and I can't wait to make videos. I love making videos and connecting with you guys the real way. Yes. Keeping it real on Medling World. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Anything else?
An amazing 2026.
For everybody, please. Don't just think, same old thing every new year. No, really, sometimes you slow everything down a little bit. I think the best way to achieve those goals sometimes is just...
I need that advice because it's hard for me to slow down.
But see, with me, I've trained myself to be able to, let's stay in the moment and let's just figure it out and go. That's my advice to everybody. Don't make these, I'm going to go to the gym every single day. You know that's not going to happen. And I mean, if it
Some
does,
people do.
God bless you. For me, it won't happen. How's that? But, or, I'm never going to do this. Or I'm not. Take it slow. If you say that, just set your goals to be realistic and things that you can achieve, because you can do anything you put your mind to. Yeah. Sometimes you just got to slow it down. Yeah. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World, and check out Medling World trying things thanks to Roberta. Let's give her all the support. That's her channel. That's her thing. We're here to give you those cool, fun reviews. And last but not least, see ya!